All right, so it's a new year and many companies we thought were going to go public last year didn't. Here's a list of 10 companies whose IPOs are coming this year and which ones you need to keep an eye on, as well as which ones I'm buying in. Now a message from Boba Fett.
Subscribe to the channel or feel my wrath.
What's going on, investors? My name is Jose and welcome back to Rico Suave IPOs, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today we're going to look at an article from Yahoo Finance titled The 10 IPOs to Watch Out For in 2021. Last year, IPOs raised over $150 billion. We saw some great companies IPO like Palantir and Telos. This year could be even better. A quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you like my content and want to see more of it, then please consider supporting me on Patreon. I've got 3 different tiers full of benefits like portfolio updates, private Discord channels, and a one-on-one phone call. All right, so let's start with the lending software company I'm very much looking forward to, Affirm. Affirm was created by the co-founder of PayPal, and it gives customers the choice for paying for merchandise by offering loan installments and without having to use a credit card. They have over 6,500 merchants and over 6.2 million users. Affirm has a revenue of $174 million and its revenue has grown 98% year over year. I made a video dealing with the company's financials. If you want to check it out, you should go do that. This one is one that I'll be buying for sure. Next, we have a company that I use all the time to go out on dates, Bumble. Created by Tinder co-founder, Bumble is a direct competitor to Tinder and all the other dating apps out there that are owned by Match.com. Reports say that IPO could come around Valentine's Day, which I think is, really appropriate. Now, what makes Bumble different than other dating apps is that women make the first move after you match with them. The app has over 100 million users and users have grown more than 250% in the last 2 years. I will be buying this one and making a video on Bumble soon, so make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Coinbase is one that I'm not very familiar with, as I don't really invest into, Bitcoin, but I know a lot of you out there do. So with Bitcoin prices at all-time high, this will be the first major IPO of its kind. According to Coinbase.com, Coinbase is a secure platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing digital currency. They have over 35 million users worldwide in over 100 countries. Now, Coinbase IPO could be valued at around $20 billion, so this is one to keep an eye on. Now, however, I'll be passing on it. Next, we got Instacart, and I made a video on Instacart as well. But Instacart is a grocery delivery company where you have someone go to the grocery store for you and deliver your groceries to you at your front door. I really like the CEO of this one, and of course the delivery business has grown dramatically due to the pandemic. So the company is valued at around $17 billion and became profitable last year with a net worth of $10 million. I will be buying me some Instacart. Petco, ticker symbol WOOF. It's one that a lot of pet lovers out there are looking forward to. More than just a brick and mortar store, Petco is a full service company that includes food, toys, cleaning supplies, grooming and training, and even a pharmacy. Apparently, people were lonely during the lockdowns, and the number of households with pets grew 4% last year. So Petco store sales are also up 9.6% in 2020. I'll be passing on Petco though. Next, we have Poshmark, and Poshmark is a platform where you can snap a photo, using your phone of whatever items you have around the house that you want to sell. They have about 31 million active users and 200 million items for sale, according to their website. The good thing about Poshmark is that you can find someone whose style you like and then pretty much raid their closet, right? It's also a great way to make money, so you can sell second-hand items you have around the house that you don't use. The company also turned a profit in the second and third quarters of 2020. I will be passing on this one since I'm not a big shopper, but it looks like a great company. Robinhood is one that I know everyone that follows my channel can't wait for. The first commercialized, commission-free trading platform that revolutionized the industry and gave the regular people like you and I a chance to become wealthy and financially independent. Their valuation is around $11.2 billion, and the numbers of users grew more than 30 million in May of last year. I have a Robinhood portfolio of only IPOs that I share with all my patrons. If you haven't signed up for my Patron, there's a link in the description below. I will be buying Robinhood, that's for sure. Next is the big daddy of them all, the most popular gaming platform since Minecraft, Roblox. With over 31 million active users every single day, Roblox is one of that many are there looking forward to it. They are planning to launch the game in China as well with their partner Tencent. If they do, this will open up a whole new consumer market that will, help the company explode. In the third quarter of 2020, Roblox revenue was up 91% year over year to $242 million. The company was last valued around $4 billion, but I expect their valuation to double with this IPO. So this is one that I will be buying for sure. Tokopedia is one that you probably never heard of, an Indonesian technology company that was linked to Peter Thiel's SPAC, Bridgetown Holdings. Tokopedia is the second most valuable startup in Indonesia with over 100 million active customers. Their website looks just like Amazon, guys. I passed on the Russian Amazon Ozon, and I probably will be passing on this one as well, but it looks like it's a dominant force in Indonesia as it serves over 98% of sub-districts. And last but not least, we have UIPath. Now, UIPath is a robotic process automation company that uses artificial intelligence to build software robots and the end of the world, helping companies automate certain work processes so employees can concentrate on other things, right? The company has over 6,300 customers, including Amazon, Bank of America, Verizon. This company has a revenue of $360 million each year and is valued at $10.2 billion. This one I'm super excited for, guys, and I can't wait to invest in this one as well. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you check out another one of my videos right here. Let me know which one are you guys looking forward to the most. As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rico solves the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, leave you broke, son.